Never break down. Whatever is lost in the world, it will definitely come back in life in some other form. Talent does not mean that a person is talented. A talented person is one who, despite not having talent, tries to move forward. No girl in the world will leave the owner of 6 cars to go with boys with 6 packs. So stop going to the gym and go to work. There is no secret to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Learning by memorizing like a parrot and getting big certificates and getting big jobs is not called education. Education is that which removes the bad education within a person and gives the encouragement to come forward to change the society. Nurture your philosophy and dreams like your own children, because these will become the reflection of your ultimate achievement. Just move forward. Don't listen to what anyone says. Keep doing what you have to do for your own good. If you are born poor, it is not your fault, but if you die poor, it is your fault. Just keep moving forward. Don't listen to what anyone says. Do what is right for you. If people knew how hard I worked to get what I have, it wouldn't seem so great. Life is bound to throw up obstacles, so there is no room for stopping. Wherever there are obstacles, you have to start over. You can get what you want in life if you help others make sure they get what they want. Do your best until you know better. Then, when you know better, do better. Success is not an accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrificing, and above all, loving what you are doing or learning to do. Sometimes you have to give up everything to rediscover life. How many average people talk? A good person explains. A superior person shows work. A superior person inspires others to see work as their own. I don't know anyone who has risen to the top without hard work. That's the recipe. It won't always get you to the top, but it should get you very close. The day a human mind is tired, it dies. Talent is cheaper than table salt. What separates a talented person from a successful person is a lot of hard work. Everyone has a story in their life. You can never change the beginning of a story by going back in time, but you can change the ending by working hard. Most of the great things in the world have been accomplished by people who kept trying when it seemed hopeless. I once failed a few subjects in an exam, but my friend passed all of them. Now he's an engineer at Microsoft, and I'm the founder of Microsoft.